morning. Nearly there. Been carrying this fucker 2.5 miles. Take him up there. Sometimes I complain a lot about stuff that doesn't even fucking matter. I'm just being a moaning bitch. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna pick this rock up and I'm gonna endure a little bit of fucking, a little bit of hardship, because this isn't really hard. It is now. My shoulder's wrecking, but people having cancer, people having onset lifelong diseases, mutant neurons, that's hard. This ain't fucking hard. Who's gonna carry the rocks all the way up Hound Tor? It's you, buddy. Nearly there. Kima. Hello. You're alright. You're alright. You kicked inside there. It's got a baby. Hey. You're alright. You're alright. Mum's watching me. Loads of these horses on Dartmoor. Don't know why, but it's probably because my mum's got them. Trust horses more than them cows. Cows look a bit suspicious. Just look at you. Get to what they're thinking. Horses, you kind of know. But yeah, interesting. Wild horses. Maybe we should do that on North Yorkshire moors. Introduce them. Might be good for the environment. I don't know. Still plodding along. Sun's coming up. 17.5 miles. Been tough this. A lot of incline. Let's see how much I've done. Fish and chips, I think, for tea. Yes, I. Breathing in, brother. Free energy. There she goes! Camera gains in the forests of Oregon, hunting wild elk with my bow. Damn off, Duke. can hear a lovely little stream there. It's the one of the best things about it. Running along, it's like meditation. It's like a rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. You can hear my pack bouncing. And then when you stop, you can just hear Mother Nature doing what she does best, soothing your senses. Little robin, if you can see it, getting smashed this weekend mush up the black and whites, missing it. I'm gonna get in a booth and find it. That's why I do it. That's why I do it. The inner boy, the inner Sam B, on the on the rocks of Robin Hood's Bay. Off to the castle. He said I've got about half an hour before the tide's in here, so I have to be quick with the northerner. Tell you what, that water is absolutely beautiful. Not like that fucking murky shit up north. Devon. I'm moving here. Birdhouse, I'm moving here, son. Hi, Sammy here from Neverstoodstill. If you enjoyed this video, click the link below to check out more.